Hey guys, it is me Obed, and today I will show you how you can connect your n8n Webhooks with the LiveKit agents, right? So what I have here is my LiveKit agent running on Replit, and I will ask to create an event or schedule an appointment for me with my agent, right? And yeah, let's see. So we have our calendar here, and if we see, uh, today is Saturday, and not exactly Saturday, but so it's 13, that means Sunday, so it's just like 12 a.m., right? So let me set it to week, and I will call my agent now, which is connected to the LiveKit and the SIP URI from Twilio. I will call that number and will talk to my agent and ask to schedule an appointment. Okay, so let's see how it goes. And when I think we will connect to our agent from, so I'm using Go High Level in App Dialer to dial my agent number, and this is here. So I think when we will connect, we will see some activity here also.
Thank you for calling Allies Medical. How may I help you today?
Hey, I want to schedule an appointment. Can you do that for me?
Of course, I can assist you with scheduling an appointment. Before we proceed, I'll need to verify your identity. Could you please provide your full name and date of birth?
Uh, yes. So my name is Ubed, and my date of birth is 12 December 2002.
Thank you, Ubaid. To ensure confidentiality and compliance with HIPAA regulations, could you please provide the exact day in December along with the year?
Uh, in my date of birth or what?
Yes, that's correct. Could you please provide the complete date of your birth, including the day in December?
Yeah, so it's 12 December, 12 December.
Thank you for providing that information, Ubaid. I want to assure you that our conversation is confidential and protected by HIPAA privacy laws. Now, could you let me know which type of appointment you need and with which provider if you have a preference?
Yeah, so I would like to schedule it for tomorrow or whenever possible. So you decide whatever the time you have. And I want to do just a routine checkup.
Great. I'll check the availability for a routine checkup appointment. Please hold on for a moment while I find the earliest possible time slot for you. Checking availability, I have availability with our primary care provider, Dr. Smith, on Monday, April 14th at 9:30 a.m. Would this time work for you, or would you prefer a different day or time?
Yeah, it works for me. Please do it.
Your appointment for a routine checkup with Dr. Smith is scheduled for Monday, April 14th at 9:30 a.m. Please arrive 15 minutes early and bring your insurance card and any current medications. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Okay, so our agent has used our n8n and schedule an appointment. Now one thing was mismatch, that this time zone is it is following the Replit time zone, right? Because the agent is running on the Replit server, right? And I am in a different time zone, so my calendar is synced with that time zone, right? So we may solve it with like asking the time zone explicitly, or we just say like use a specific time zone with our agent, right? So if I am in, let's say, I want to use like Indian time zone, I can do that, right? Perfect. But yeah, this is what our agent booked. Obviously, there is no title or nothing. We can set this up like with some prompting, so that's not a big thing. But what I want to show is like the connectivity between n8n and the LiveKit agent, and I will show you how you can achieve this, right? So if we go to our n8n and if we see executions, we see that so it's 12 to 3 a.m. right now. We see that last execution was 00, that means 12 21, right? So only like 2 minutes before, right? 1.5 minute before. So that was our execution, right? Which our agent did. Now I will just stop that agent, and we can see it here also running, right? So function calls and all that. And let me take you to the process of how you do it. Basically, you have to create a class with the function context, right? There you define the context and like the process of calling it, right? And you create a webhook in your n8n which receive the time, let's say start time, the end time, and whatever things you want, title, description, participants. So like this is like your use case totally depends on you, right? So it depends on like use case to use case. I can't follow or like present everything in here, right? But whatever you want to receive in your webhook, then you create a calendar, create an event in the calendar, right? So if we see here by opening this, we are creating a calendar event in the calendar, which is the resource event. Operation we want to do is create. So from the webhook data, I am getting the start time, the end time, right? All of this, and then I respond to my agent that yes, it is successfully created. Now in the function context, what we have here is this. So book appointment, right? This will be title is not you have seen like I am not setting it up in the n8n, but we can definitely do that, right? Start time will be another parameter which will be in this format, and time will be there. So I'm just using these two parameters, right, to make the connectivity happens. Then I use my webhook and I call with this parameters, these arguments, right? And then I get the response which I pass to my agent. So that's it, how you can connect your n8n with the LiveKit, right? This opens up a lot of possibilities, right? With n8n you can create like any workflow you can think of, right? So just create a workflow, connect it with your LiveKit agent. You do not have to pay to retail Vapi with their crazy pricing, and you just pay for the tokens you used, right? With the Gemini, with the cloud, with the uh, what is there, the OpenAI, right? Any cheap LLM you want to use, you use it, you connect it with your flows, and yeah, all set up, right? The phone number connectivity is here, so you can definitely connect it that, right? Or maybe a web interface, right? Okay, so I think that was it for this video. If you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to me on email or the WhatsApp, and yeah, we can build things together, right? Perfect. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.